1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. And the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Do 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 do. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. And the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, please do me a favor and don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Enya Music for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this carbon fiber Nova ukulele, which by the way is very sturdy, so it's travel friendly, it's not going to warp in different weather conditions, and it also comes in a bundle with strings, a capo, and other accessories that will enhance the way you play this instrument. So get a hold of your Nova ukulele by clicking on that link in my description box below. Again, thanks for checking out this channel, and if you want to hear some more music, then click on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another one of my ukulele play-alongs that I know you're going to enjoy, and I hope that you grab your ukulele and play along with me. So grab your uke, click that link, I'll see you right over there.